Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Sony Device to Realme 10 Pro Plus. First of all, open Play Store on both and type in Send Anywhere in the search bar. Then you need to install this app from this developer. Tap on Open and choose whatever you wish to in Notifications pop-up. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. In this window, you can choose Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Sony and tap on Receive on Realme smartphone. If you see this kind of pop-up, you need to pick one of those options. Click on Close this window and select all of your files that you wish to transfer from Sony. You can do that by tapping on all of those dots from all of those categories and choosing Send next to Selected. But you can also just click on couple of files. In my case, this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Then select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using or only this time and pointing your camera at the code. You can also just input this key over here and tap on Receive button. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!